Meaning of electrostatic.
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 Electrostatic. Electrostatic refers to the phenomenon of electrical charges at rest. When two objects with opposite electrical charges are brought close to each other, they can attract each other, while objects with the same charge will repel. This is due to the exchange of electrons between the objects, resulting in the buildup of opposing charges. The strength of the electrostatic force is determined by the distance between the objects and the magnitude of their charges. In everyday life, electrostatics is responsible for many common phenomena such as the shock we sometimes feel after touching a doorknob or another person.